Okay, y'all, so I got a package. Oh, big package. And this is for my boutique. So I'm gonna try to open it. And then we sell little girls clothing and accessories. Check us out. Ooh. And I sell a lot of inspired clothing because baby, that's what's selling, okay? Like, this is cute. Let me show y'all. Period. Okay. So we got the cute little Gucci tee. Period. Cute little Gucci tee. With the shorts. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. Girl, is this not the cutest little outfit? Look at that. Ooh. Anyway. Too cute. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a picture. And I'm gonna tease my followers a little bit. Like, sneak peek. And I'm waiting on this lady to bring me my damn Chipotle. So, these are so, look at that. These are so cute. Cute little shorts and a shirt. Okay. And I gotta take the inventory or whatever. So, make sure they gave me all my stuff. What size is this? 20. Don't get me wrong, I know it's a lot. You could pay attention to me once. You should have known my body by now. You should know my mind by now. Don't matter how many times I tried, I cried, I said nice, get it out loud, now I'm tired. You don't know me. You don't know me. Oh, good. Oh, girl. Say less. They come with bags too, and I got some shoes. Let me show y'all. Always count y'all inventory. Period. These are so. Is this a scarf? Hold up. Hold up. Cause my vendor be knowing. They be knowing. Girl, look. Girl. Girl, look at these. Is this broken? Hold up. Hold on. That one look like it's broken. Or does it screw on? It might screw. It screw on. Okay, I just screwed on. Look at the little purses. Look at the little purses. Okay, that don't go with that, but yeah, no, that don't go with that. It is what it is. And then they come with a little scarf situation. That's cute. Uh-oh. Where is my food? Cute. Look at that. Real cute. Real doll. Real dolly. Okay. And then here are the shoes to go with the outfit. Period. You say GG and you say GD. That's annoying. Look at the shoes. Cute, right? Look at that go with the outfit. Period. Look at that. Real cute. Love this. So, yeah. I need to get a picture. I need to get a picture of these outfits. First of all, I need to take my baby's size out. And, yeah. I just gotta see the size she wears anyway. But yeah, girl, look at these shoes. That's gonna go real cute with the outfit. Made in Italy. Yeah, okay. More like made in Shanghai. Okay, but yeah. I think my baby like, sometimes these shirts cut kind of weird. If y'all see me looking out the door, keep looking this way. I'm looking out the door trying to see where my Chipotle is. It's supposed to be here at 11:30. It's now 11:40, okay? Every time I get them a nice tip, they want to act up. I wish y'all could really see, but this, I'm trying to show y'all what it's giving. No time. This too. It's elastic. I'm gonna have to try this stuff on her. Oh no, my camera's dying. Anyway, but yeah, this goes together with the top. Period. Okay, but my camera's dying, so yeah, that's that. Let's say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Today is Friday, May 6th, and today is Muffins with Mommy Day, right?
Yeah.
Stop acting shy, girl. Stop. You excited about Muffins with Mommy?
Yes, Mama.
It's raining today.
Why can I see a million? Why can I see a million raindrops?
I'm not gonna record in there just because it's a bunch of kids and I don't want to record nobody's child because I wouldn't want nobody to record mine without my consent. So, oh, I wonder if I can pull up there.
Great.
I wonder if I can pull up.
Oh, what if I can pull up?
It's, what time is it? 8:43. It's only like from 9 to 9:30. These signs are so confusing.
Read them.
Ada Park. Then it say passenger loading. Sit back, Google. We about to pull up.
Oh.
All right, y'all. So excuse this mess, but this is what I got from Rainbow the other day. I meant to tell y'all. Okay. See, Rainbow is good for like basics and maybe a cute little top here and there. But I got this little top, real cheap. How much was it? $5. I got this top to go with. Check this out. These shorts. Ain't that cute? Excuse me. I got stuff all over the place. Ain't that cute? This little top. It's like a crop top, of course. I'll figure out the bra situation once I wear it. But I do have a half bra. I could wear probably like a half bra with it. Or some pasties. Something. I don't know. And I got it with these shorts. And these are like, what material is this, y'all? Is it nylon? Yeah, but it's that sweatsuit, swishy, swashy fabric material, whatever. But yeah, and I thought this was real cute. These shorts were, how much? Girl, $8. $8 for the shorts and $5 for the top. You got your whole set right here. You got your whole little outfit. And now what I was thinking about wearing was, I gotta find some shoes to wear with it. And I was thinking about wearing like some, let me see. I got some, what is it called? I have some slouch socks. That's been my thing lately, slouch socks. So I have some slouch socks I can wear with this. And I probably wear my Yeezy foam runners with it. Or I might just find some cute tennis. I don't know. But I think this is so cute. It's definitely a look summertime fine for the low. Then I got this. Again, like I said, rainbow is good for the basics. I got this little crop top. Everything is crop. Can we get a whole shirt? Anyway, got this little crop top situation. This is $7, and this is like a red material. I thought this was so cute. And then guess what? I got these little mom jeans. Not jeans. Denim distressed shorts to go with them. They're mom shorts because they like high-waisted a little bit. And they stretch. But look at that. And they fit so cute too. Here's a little picture. If you go to Rainbow and you looking at like they shorts or they jeans, make sure it is the wax jean collection. Like make sure they buy a wax jean, because these are the ones. These the same type of jeans Fashion Nova sell. Ain't even gonna hold you. But they stretch so good. Like they stretch so good. Let me show you the back. And this is the back. So yeah, it's a mom jean high-waisted situation. These fit kind of big, but they do fit good, if that makes sense. Because of course it's giving the mom jean look, so it's going to be like a little baggy here. But I thought that would be so cute with this cute little crop top. What? And how much was these shorts? Let me see. They wasn't high. I'll tell you that much here though. Hold on. Girl. $16.99 for the shorts. And then you got $7 for the top. And you got your cute little outfit. Cute. Cute. Now I was gonna wear this with like some I could probably wear it with some sandals, but I really wanted to wear it with some like Air Forces or something. I thought that'd be so cute. And maybe like a nice little kimono, like a long kimono to go over it. Cute. A look. But yes, I keep telling people, do not sleep on Rainbow. And then I got this cute little basic set. And I got this in a size large. And this didn't really come as a set. It's sold separately, but it's a set. So the bottoms was $8. And these like some little biker shorts. Just something to lounge around the house with. Or to throw on when you're going somewhere. The color is coming off a little wonky on camera. But it's like a, what would I call this? I don't know. Like a burnt sienna. I don't know. But yeah, it's a cute stretch little material. You know, something quick to throw on with some slides, some foam runners, some tennis, something. And this is $8. With a little zip up back. Something real cute. That's what I'm saying. Like basics. Basic stuff that you can get from Rainbow. People look down on Rainbow. Always cheap. Guess what? My cheap base is going in. I get all my little t-shirts from them. Plain solid color t-shirts, tank tops, all that for the low. Why am I spending a whole bunch of money? For what? It's not about where you get it from. It's about how you wear it. And if you don't know how to wear it, just say that. But me, I'm gonna wear this $8 shirt. And I'm gonna wear these $16 shorts. And I'm gonna look cute. Period. Because, yeah, you put some accessories on, do your makeup, do your hair. You good. But yeah, I don't know where the jeans at that I bought. They're somewhere around here. I don't know. But yeah, that's that. So can't even get my lashes done, but they don't look too bad. Look at this. Ooh, these need to come off over this side. Y'all see how they like, but it'll be fine. I get my lashes done Monday. It's a close-up on my nails. A mess. But anyway.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
just leave it there.
How old are you? How old are you?
Why? I'm 6.
6?
Yeah.
That's 13.
You thought it was 13.
Yeah. Then you just be 5 and then you got be 6.
Not the bomb deals. Not the bomb deals.
Did you want them for so long?
I did. I actually did. Yeah.
Booty.
Booty, rocking everywhere.
Booty.
Thank you, my love. I'm a happy mama today. Why you all in my grill? Oh, I thought that was a deer or animal or something. So I left off, I was in the bathroom doing my makeup, getting myself together, right? We said we got brunch at 12:30. It's 11 o'clock now, and I realized that I don't have any bags. I don't have any gift bags. I got cards, but I didn't get any gift bags. And I think I have some at my mother's, but I'm not sure, but I don't want to rely on that. But anyway, I had to run out the house and get some gift bags. So yeah, that's that. That's that. My hair look cute, y'all. Y'all like my hair? Real cute. I like this length. I feel like I need a longer one though. Cause I didn't even tell y'all. Is this the street I'm supposed to turn up? Bitch, we gonna find out. I think it is. What am I saying? Oh, girl, thinking I could do everything. I tried to cut the other wig that I had. It's a long one, but it wasn't as full as I wanted it to be, so I decided to cut it. Girl, I didn't know what I was doing. I was like, oh, I'm gonna do a blunt cut. Okay, cool. Nope. Didn't turn out that way. I got short, y'all. I think it can be helped. Maybe I can like put some crimson in, and I like that way that you can't really tell how I messed the cut up. So yeah, with some curls. I don't know. I'm gonna try something, but I don't know if that don't work. Then the wig going in the trash. Honestly, it wasn't that much. It can go in the trash can. Y'all see me? See my lashes? I get my lashes done tomorrow. So on top of the part not being customized, I mean the curls are popping. Excuse my ashy hands. The curls are popping, but the wig isn't customized, and my lashes aren't done. I couldn't get an appointment this week, but I do go tomorrow. So I think I'm just gonna buy some strip lashes. I might have some in the house too. I think my mother has some. I'm just gonna buy some strip lashes and just throw them on for the day. I'm just gonna, once I take my makeup off, I'm just wash my lashes real good to make sure all the glue is off, because I don't want her to have to struggle applying my new lashes on tomorrow. Winter's out of school tomorrow. Again, they out more than they in. I don't mean no harm. But last week was Teacher Appreciation Week, so what they did was gave like all the teachers off Monday. I guess also like for Mother's Day. So I thought that was nice. I didn't even show y'all the flowers that I bought at teachers. I bought them some tulips. They were so pretty. It's like a plant. It was a big tulip plant. Does that make sense? A big tulip plant? Yeah, but that's what I did. I gave it to them and shit. Her teacher just sent me a message saying thank you. I said, you're welcome, girl. Anything for the teachers. Anything for the mothers. It's 52 degrees. It's cold enough. I just want this weather to keep the same energy for Father's Day. I really do. Just keep that same energy. It poured down raining Friday. It poured down raining Saturday. It's cold and cloudy today. Like, come on. But yeah, just keep that same energy, or I'm ruining everybody's Father's Day cookout. I'm running. I'm in there. I'm ruining everybody's Daddy's Day cookouts, because why the mothers couldn't have this energy? Have that energy. Come through and chill. This man keep looking at me. What you looking at, sir? This is gonna be a quick one. Oh, do they have lashes? Do they have decent lashes at the dollar store? How about that? No, they ain't even, honestly, they don't even really have to be that decent. I just need something to put on my eyes for today. Just, it ain't even gotta be the whole day. It could be a couple hours, baby. I just, you know. Come through and chill. Or should I have just went to Target and just got what I needed to get? I probably still had to wind up going to Target. I don't know. I don't want to do too much running around. It's 11:15 now. Let me go. Flowers, and then we went to Reef Christen and they gave us these long stem roses, which was so nice, so sweet. But I got these from my mom. They're so pretty. And they say Happy Mother's Day. So pretty. So yeah, I'm about to cut these. First of all, I'm gonna take this outfit off, but I'll do that later. But I'm gonna cut these roses down because they're a little bit too long for the vase. I think because I heard saw somewhere you gotta cut them on an angle. So I'm gonna cut them on an angle. I ain't got no type of, yeah. Well, these are cute too. Flowers, flowers, flowers. Blame me, no. What is that? Won't feel the rain on me. It's like that. You fell down your neck. No shit, I won't forget. I didn't really get the card. This card was from my mama. Oh no, this card from Winter. Happy Mother's Day. No, this. My mother gave me a card that's supposed to go to her mother, and not Lord. Daughter, your giving, caring heart has always. Yo, this shit. Oh, let me see me. I'm hiding behind. Okay. This is a card from my mama. Daughter, your giving, caring heart has always made you so special, and it's what makes you the amazing mom you are today. You are a truly wonderful mother and a source of so much pride. Celebrating you and everything that makes you a great daughter and an even better mom. Happy Mother's Day. Love, mommy. I'm so proud of you and the mother that you are to my pumpkin latte. Keep doing what you're doing. #1 fan. Period. I'm a mother. Stop being weird, bro. You being weird, bro. spend Mother's Day like this. Look at it. Look at this. Like this eye right here is not bad at all. It's not that bad. It could be better, but it's not that bad. This one right here, this is sad. Anyway, I will get them done tomorrow.